Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be having a look at the Eos network. Now we will be going through a full introduction on Eos token, but we've also got some news to go through. Eos token, now hottest crypto after switch to Antelope. The token's 28% price surge over the past 7 days follows an announcement Antelope will be used as the supporting protocol for EOS based blockchains. So let's try to understand what's going on. Now the Eos token, mostly a disappointment since its 4 billion initial coin offering in 2018, Eos has been down by 37% since then. Now it's getting a fresh jolt thanks to the technological shift announcement last week. Eos price is up by 28% over the past week, the biggest gainer amongst 49 digital assets tracked by Masari, with a market capitalization of at least 1 billion. Eos continues its nearly week-long surge in Tuesday trading, recently rising above 7% to change hands at $1.79. Now it says here that the token of Eos network soared after the ENF announced last week that Antelope will be used as the underlying protocol for EOS based blockchains. Antelope, a community-run blockchain protocol, will be fully supported by members of the ENF, which includes EOS, Telos, Wax, and UX network. The hard fork of the code of EOS.io blockchain is slated for September 21, which is when the official switch to Antelope will take place, as CoinDesk reported, citing a company spokesperson. Now, ENF has decided to pursue legal actions against Black One, the entity that originally designed the EOS network. Over malpractice concern in 2021, Black.One stopped supporting EOS.io, EOS development, putting the blockchain in jeopardy. Now, ENF then started developing initiatives in late 2021 to explore the coordinating EOS.io based blockchain and to preserve and advance the code base they shared. So according to a weekly report from data provided by Keiko, EOS token soared on the initial news of the hard fork last week. This is before returning to previous levels. It has risen over 40% in the last 30 days, although it remains well off its all-time high of $14 a year ago. That's kind of crazy to think back that EOS was over $14 a year ago. However, it looks like it's past a year by now. Looks like the last time EOS was at that price was in May last year. But in November last year, EOS was roughly around $5.21. Not bad. But to where it is right now, it's completely undervalued. The real question is, can EOS get back to $5, $10, $15? Is it even possible within the next year? $5 is definitely possible. That I can say for sure. With the help of the next bull run, I can definitely see $5 happening. However, $10, it's a little bit hard to speculate if we can achieve $10 within the next year. There is a blog post all about the community-run framework Antelope. That basically explains to you everything that I was just talking about. There is also a Q2 report of 2022. This is on the EOS blog post as well. Feel free to check it out. Once again, this is not financial advice. We do have a quick explanation of what EOS is. For anyone who's not familiar with EOS, well, it says here, EOS Network is a third-generation blockchain platform that's powered by EOS VM, a low-latency, high-performant, and extendable web assembly engine for deterministic executions of near-fee-less transaction, purpose-built for enabling optimal Web3 users and developer experiences. EOS is a flagship blockchain and financial center of EOS.io protocol, serving as the driving force behind multiple chain collaborations and public goods funding for tools and infrastructure through the EOS Network Foundation. There's also EOS Network Foundation. That's the ENF. We were speaking about that recently. Now, that's a non-profit organization that coordinates financial and non-financial support to encourage the growth and development of the EOS network. The ENF is a hub of EOS network, harnessing the power of decentralization as a force for positive global change for a chart to coordinate future for EOS. Another recent update is the launch of the Yield Plus incentive program. This was announced on the 10th of August. I didn't get to research this, but now we can have a look at it. So Yield Plus began as an ENF sponsored working group in January 2022. The group was tasked with researching and proposing methods to create a system of economic incentives and opportunities for on-chain yields to the EOS network. In May of 2022, the multidisciplinary collaboration of research, analysis, writing, and countless hours of discussion from the likes of Eos Nation, Greymax, UX Network, DeFi Blog, Joe Louise, Peter DeFi, and EOS Asia produced the Yield Plus Blue Paper that laid out a series of recommendations for increasing DeFi, TVL activities on chain, and multiple opportunities for generating yield on chain. So that's a quick look at the Yield Plus incentive program. Now onto a quick price prediction. It's currently at $1.70. Like I said, I can see it going back to like, say, $5 within the next year, especially with the next bull run. We've seen triggers of the market recovering recently, but nothing concrete enough to suggest that the market overall value is going to double or triple in the next year. There's no guarantees, but we're seeing that bull runs are starting to occur more regularly as the crypto market continues to do well. The further and older the crypto market becomes, the more regularly there are more bull runs. And I'm saying that could occur next year, or it could occur late, or it could occur late this year. At this moment, anything could be possible. So we're well within our rights to speculate. A month ago, the price of this token was just $1.07. Absolutely cheap. In the last few days, however, it's been as high as $1.88. That's rather good. It's improved its price by over 80 cents. Market cap, 1.7 billion. It's got the potential to keep climbing in price, but obviously, as we know, we need more good news to pump this price. Without that, we can only rely on a bull run. But it's not out of the question to rely on this bull run. It's definitely not. But this is where we'll end this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more. Leave a like, leave a comment. And of course, I'll see you in the next video.